It's good, YouTube. Right here is my guitar setup. This is the EVH Lunchbox 5150 head. It's 15 watts. Well, I currently have it set to 3 watts. The quarter power option in the back. I don't think I got a good photo of it. And then this is my Mesa 1x12 cabinet. I don't know what speakers in here, but I mean, it sounds pretty good. This is a Shure SM58 on a generic Amazon mic stand with a Mogami cable running right into my Focusrite over here on the first channel or first input, and it goes into Reaper. There's my Axe effects. Yeah, I mean, I'm just running a Gym Root Jazzmaster. Pretty cool stuff, really nice pickups and whatnot. Kind of just making this video because I just got really bored and I wanted to mic up my cabinet, and this guitar amp has really good like metal tone and whatnot. It just sounds really chuggy, really huge, and even at a lower volume too. Like, this sounds really loud and just has like the perfect tone for me, honestly. I mean, I definitely love this. All I gotta do is just plug it in and play it, compared to the Axe effects where I kind of have to dial in some stuff, but it is what it is. But I'll be doing like a side-by-side comparison, so I'll have it so you can hear what the mic is picking up versus what I actually hear, like the room resonance or whatnot. So yeah, we'll just get right to it.